Guys, Mike from Custom Cruisers. Okay, your M8 is really restricted, believe me, with the stock filter. This thing here, as you can see, massively deeper. Goes under the stock cover, okay, which obviously is very restrictive. The stock one is round about this deep, so you can imagine hardly any air getting into a big motor like that. By using this, you're putting a built-in breather system on. You've got an amazing quality filter, okay. You can see here proper die-cast or cast aluminium, as opposed to the tin thing that Harley use. But very good, give you masses more power. The 103s, like I say, they are about the same. The stock filters may be this wide, so you're getting double the air capacity in. The stock 103s are only doing about 90, 100 flat out as a bagger. Once we put this type of filter on the Milwaukee 8, on the twin cams, you were looking way over 125. The difference was absolutely unbelievable. So if you're interested in your great products, give us a bell, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. If you're interested, the new site.eu has got a lot of clearance. But stay safe, catch you after Christmas. Thanks.